Okay, so that's the name of this Fuyi Alley, F-Y-U-I Alley, and it has this kind of cool looking food culture, food street. So we're gonna walk by it and show you what it looks like at nighttime. So here we are in Wuhan. Stay tuned. Fuyi Alley. Okay, Wuhan Fuyi Alley. Another Wuhan one. This is kind of a small one, and I kind of came across it not too far from the pedestrian street. I'll put it up on the map behind me. And just so you know, I have, I think there's 16. You'll see that how many Wuhan there is. There's just a few more left. So subscribe. You can also check out all the ones below because I put the links to all the other Wuhan ones, and it's kind of a series. So I got some really cool ones coming up too. So if you want to subscribe and watch for those too, definitely do. So we do have a lot of people eating outside, and there's a whole stretch of food stuff here. And we got a whole street devoted to it. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Wuhan has all kinds of hidden surprises, things I didn't expect, including this. What I'm trying to find though is these certain noodles, the hot dry noodles that are famous. Okay. There's actually a lot of good looking stuff though. I think this is the one that I'm looking for right here. I'm definitely looking for noodles. And that looks tasty too. That looks tasty. Actually, all of it does. I have to get these hot dry noodles, the Wuhan specialty. But there's a lot of other stuff I wouldn't mind getting as well here. I don't know, this street might not be the place for that. Okay. Crayfish King. It's not a crayfish. I guess that's what that's called, crayfish, that I'm seeing everywhere. So I kind of want to get these hot dry noodles, and I think this might be one of them. I think when I see pictures of them, they look quite a bit like thick noodles. So I'm just going to complete the street and then we're going to end it. When I find them, I'll show it to you. This could be it too. Jiqing view. Okay. So this is the archway to another street I was looking for earlier. There's a street that's supposed to have all these oh, let's just kind of see here. Jiqing. And I guess this is Jianghan Road, is that right? I don't know, that doesn't sound right. Seems like there's a lot of stuff with the same name. Jianghan Road. Okay, so we're gonna come back this way, and I'm gonna find something to eat in here. It's gotta be something. Actually, I'm looking specifically for these noodles, so I'm gonna put the camera away, get on my translation device, and see if I can find it. Okay, so I am looking for Reyamon, and I haven't seen it yet. So we're gonna walk down this street, see if we can find it down this one. There's kind of this sesame noodles. It's called like hot dry noodles, something like that. So I'm gonna look down this way, see what we can find. It's supposed to be everywhere, but it was nowhere on that street. But I'll show you what it is when we get to it. So I'm just gonna walk down the street a little bit further, see if we can see what it might look like. Hello. Hello. Ni hao. So we're looking for these hot dry noodles. So I'm just gonna see if I can find a restaurant that has them, and then I'll show those to you when I can find them. It's a place with... Huh. Okay. So I'm gonna put it away until I can find it. So this is the one that's famous for in Wuhan. Finally got it. It smells great. And they say you gotta mix it up quick. Oh, it smells really good. Wow. That is good. It's sesame seed.